What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge. My name is Muhammad Shahbaz Ali and today I have received another inexpensive mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy A11, which is an upgrade version from the previously released Samsung Galaxy A10 last year. Inexpensive smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A11 got an Infinity O display, a triple camera and many other great features that I am going to show you in this video. Keep watching. Coming up next. Inexpensive smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A11 got an Infinity O screen and a triple camera. Samsung, as expected, announced the Galaxy A11 smartphone with big screen and great opportunities. Experience the effect of total impression in the content on the unlimited 6.4 inches screen of the Galaxy A11 smartphone. The novelty is equipped with an Infinity O HD Plus screen, 1560 by 720 pixels, with a diagonal of 6.4 inches. In the upper left corner, there is a small hole for the front 8 megapixel camera. A bright wide-angle display with HD Plus resolution allows you to watch movies, video broadcasts, and enjoy your favorite games non-stop. Dimensions are 161.4 by 76.3 by 8.0 mm. Weight 177 grams. So, on the right side, you will get a volume and power button. On the bottom, here is a mic, a USB port, and a speaker grill. The SIM tray is on the left side. The budget phone can use 2 SIM cards at once and has a micro SD card dedicated slot. On the top of the smartphone, here is a 3.5 mm headphone jack, another mic, and here is an ear speaker. The front camera is embedded in the left corner of the display. On the back, here is a Samsung logo, a fast fingerprint scanner for unlocking the device, and a triple rear camera with LED flashlight. Stylish colors in the palm of your hand stand out from the crowd with the slim and sleek body of the Galaxy A11 that accentuates your unique style. Smooth curved edges of the smartphone are created so as not to let it out of your hands for a whole day. Choose one of the brightest shades of black, white, or red that will definitely suit you. Triple camera to capture the most important moments. The rear camera has 3 component configuration, engaged blocks with 13 megapixels f1.8, 2 megapixels f2.4, and 5 megapixels f2.2. Galaxy A11 is equipped with 3 cameras. 5 megapixel wide-angle camera with a viewing angle of 115 degrees, similar to the field of view of one person. 13 megapixels f1.8 camera for bright and clear pictures at any time of the day, as well as a 2 megapixel camera with a depth sensor which is ideal for portraits with the effect of blurring the background. In addition, there is a fingerprint scanner at the back. Stunning selfies easy. Be in focus. It's your time to shine. The front-facing 8 megapixel Galaxy A11 camera will allow you to take excellent selfie shots, and with the help of the live focus function, softly blurring the background, attention will be only on you. Now work without stopping. Power is provided by a 4000 mAh battery with support for fast 15 watts recharging. In the dynamic rhythm of life, you need a smartphone that you can always rely on. With a powerful 4000 mAh battery, you can share files, play games, and go live, and more. And support for fast charging 15 watts allows you to always stay in touch. High performance do more. Samsung Galaxy A11 is equipped with a fast processor and a large amount of memory, so you cannot worry about the lack of space for your favorite content. The new 8-core processor and 2 GB of RAM will ensure the smooth and efficient operation of games and applications. Download more and delete less thanks to 32 GB of internal flash memory. And if it's not enough, you can easily expand it to 512 GB using a micro SD card dedicated slot. Convenient mobile protection. Simply access to your data with the protection that you can trust. The fingerprint scanner on the back of the Galaxy A11 allows you to quickly and easily unlock your phone and enter biometric-enabled applications. Now you can unlock your smartphone by simply bringing it to your face. Face recognition technology guarantees access to data only to its owner, so that your personal data will never fall into the wrong hands. Choose your perfect Galaxy A. Upgrade to the new Galaxy A11. The sales will start very soon in Pakistan. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share, and tell us your thoughts in the comment section. For more tech news and updates, please subscribe to our channel, Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye-bye.